we just woke up a couple minutes ago. We were just watching some TV, and I actually have a name for you guys. And what do you mean? What do you be asking? Well, name by I mean like, you know how other YouTubers say, "What's up?" Whatever they call it. So I watch Funnel Vision sometimes. So this is what they say. "What's up, funnel cakes?" That's what kind of name I mean. So that will be your name if you subscribe. So I'm gonna do mine. Probably Kitten Cupcakes. So you guys are called the Kitten Cupcakes. And I actually think that I might need to tell you something.
Ew.
Wait, hold on, guys.
Not in the room, pretend like I'm not.
I'm gonna set this camera up in this different room. This is a different room.
Not in this room.
Okay, I'm gonna put this here. It's hard work. Like this.
You have to pretend like I'm not in the video. So you have to stay just like that to describe the prank.
Wait, hold on, guys. So we're back. We're gonna prank her. So let me go get this prank. So I did not tell you what the prank was. We gotta be quiet because they're sleeping. So what this is this is a spray bottle, and I'm gonna hide it behind my head and go, "Achoo!" And she's gonna think I sneeze. See that stuff floating in the air? That's just water. So you gotta be quiet because they're sleeping. Prank them. Okay, let's get started. Good morning.
Ew. Ew. And ew. Cover your nose.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Now let me go back to sleep.
Okay.
What did I just say about covering your nose?
Sorry.
Like this. That blocks it.
Well, I don't want to get my shirt dirty because whenever I sneeze, it gets everywhere.
So you would rather it be on me? Stop blowing it on me. Why don't you just do it over there, not on me?
Okay. Go back to sleep.
I caught that. No.
Huh?
Stop. Why are you looking over there? Why are you looking over there?
Over where? Over there.
I'm going back to sleep now.
Okay, good night.
Can you stop sneezing on me? Why does it feel like water?
I don't know.
This is like the 4th time.
Sorry, I have allergies.
Get a tissue or use your elbow.
Okay, fine.
It's no acceptance. What did I tell you?
Sorry. I have allergies, and I was going to come wake you up, and then I sneezed.
You can cover your nose. Keep your nose covered. Keep your nose covered. Just do this then. Just keep
Good night.
I don't trust you anymore. I'm not going to sleep.
Fine.
Ha! 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 Ha!
You figured it out. It was a prank, but I got you. Okay, now we're going to do Valerie, but I got to talk to her for a second. So I'm going to be right back.
You. Hi. Is this thing on? Yeah, I think so. It's still it. Hi guys. I'm going to continue the prank. I'm gonna continue the prank. But even is this thing on? Yes, it is. We can't do that. Achoo! What? Sorry. Achoo! Why is it so cold? I don't know. Because my saliva's cold. I don't know. Achoo! You can't do that. That's no. Achoo! Stop. Sorry. Stop sneezing on me. I'm done with this stupid prank. I know it's a prank because I did it on you. Hey viewers, subscribers, subscribe to my channel, and I'll link her channel down in the comments below. And yeah, so
See you guys later.
yeah, come say bye. They can't see you.